All right, these are my plumbagos. I'm back, y'all, with another segment of my new garden. I have these plumbagos. Ain't they beautiful? They blue and they are fabulous. They looks really, really scribing through the sun, and I put them in a pot. Yes, indeed. I put them in a pot instead of the ground because I want them to be a showcase. So what I'm gonna do, I'm showing you what I did. On this side, it don't have a plumbago plant. No, it don't. So I went and bought one at Home Depot, bought another one, and they was $7.95. Let's see, $7.98 for this plumbago. It's pretty, just like the other one. So I'm gonna put it in this pot on this side because I want it to fill out. I want it to fill out and show its beauty. So let me take it out this pot right quick. It's already got a hole for it. I might need to dig a bigger hole. Let's see. Lay that right there. And just dig a bigger hole like that. Push it to the side. And just drop him in there. Drop him and push him in there. And he will start coming and growing out on the sides. Make sure dirt is around it, the potting soil around there, so he can start growing out. Now look at my little red bird. I love red birds and bluebirds, but I just got me a plastic one. And look at him peeping through there. Oh, he looking peeping through there. Okay, so I got this planted. I'm gonna mash it down, and that's the segment of the plambagos. And they are beautiful. Look how beautiful they are. They comes in different colors, white, I think, and pink. But I like the blue. The blue is just sexy. So there's my plumbagos. I filled the end up. Now I don't know if this is a weed or a plumbago. I'm gonna leave it there. We'll find out later. But this is a segment of the plumbagos. They are beautiful, and more information for them is in the description. So look at the descriptions and tell you about the plumbagos and what they come from and how they develop and whatever. Okay, be back with something else. Hope you come back and watch me again. But don't forget to go to the descriptions and see about plumbagos and see what colors and where they started or whatever. I'll have that in the description. And please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it.